I know that daily observations have not been uploaded yet, but don't you worry. Edit करना है भैया. It's late. It's time for edit. The video will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Good morning everyone. How you all doing? Today is Saturday. Yes, another weekend. So Honda 150 CBR. That's a dope bike, I tell you. And it's pretty nice, I tell you. And before going to towards buying Duke and all, I have considered buying a CBR 150, but the only problem was the amount of CC, and it looked quite bulky. But I was getting into naked, and Duke at that point of time was much in news. It was selling like hot cakes. Indicated and turned, but you're not indicated, sir. You could see me coming. Oh yes, not to mention big boy toys, and that looks pretty awesome. I tell you, the cars in there, so amazing. Hey, Superman! Arey! What, that's a THH helmet and DOT certified. किसके पास ऐसा क्या है जो मेरे पास नहीं? That was a daredevil. Well, this is Qutub Minar, as you can see. No, I'm not here for the Qutub Minar itself. My friend lives here, so I've come here to meet. And there's no red light. Otherwise, last time I was caught for jumping red light, which I didn't knew that it already existed out here. So till then, bye bye. कहाँ भैया कहाँ? There is no traffic at all. तेरा मकाम कमली सरहद के पार बुलिया, तू ही तैयार बुलिया मुर्शद मेरा. So is this one, or I don't know. It says from आगे से लेना है. Time for some off-roading, guys. What's up, bitches? Yeah. Okay, now it says I need to take right, and GPS, fuck you. You always. Oh, come on. You really have to be in this situation. Alright, I see the indicator. Sorry, bro. come on. Because oh, pink. Why is not shocking for me? Because for me UP is not Uttar Pradesh, it is Ulta Pradesh. And yes, I am actually will be low on fuel. If I haven't seen any petrol pump or petrol station out here, and if I have to go back, it's gonna be a long way. I hope my friends knows about where the petrol station is. Otherwise it's gonna be a hell of a ride, and I'm not going back home. I have taken 3. Whoa, easy fella, easy. You have responsibility with you guys. So finally we have reached, and where exactly do I have to go? Well, I have to check it out. I need to call my friend. Till then, bye bye. I don't know what it's all about, but it looks so dope. You see them? Whoa, they're playing golf. Come on, and oh. Well, I need to take a U-turn from here. But look at the statue, the enormous statue, man. It's so big. Come on, dude. Shit. तीन सौ बता लीजिए. And for the guy who commented that I don't stop for petrol to refuel my bike or do my own petrol station, dude, we just got your answer. I just refueled my bike with 300 rupees. 300 rupees! I'm not making fun of you, but you know, भाई साहब कितने की पड़ी है? 77,000. सही भागती है. एक्टिवा क्यों नहीं ली? एक्टिवा क्यों नहीं ली? मेरे पास उससे. अरे चलो, बाहर की कंपनी ली आपने है. बढ़िया. So this guy's been has oh fuck. So this guy just bought a Aprilia SR 150. That's a scooty, and he already had Activa. I asked him why didn't he go for Activa. He said I already had Activa, but was fed up with the Activa or Honda, so he thought of going out with this bike, scooty. I mean, and it looked pretty dope. I just wanted to ride this, and I can ask. I'm pretty sure he can give it to me. for a small ride, for a small stretch. But the problem is, will he be able to ride my bike? That is the question. And yes, the video will be uploaded soon, क्योंकि बिक गई है ये गवर्नमेंट. What is up, people? How you all doing? How's your evening going on? So, भाई पकड़ ले, नहीं तो लटक जाएगा. With some talks. Well, the talk's gonna be a long one because I can see hell lot of traffic out there. Hell lot of traffic out there. Hell lot of traffic out there. Yeah, भाई आज तक समझ नहीं आया. Why do people give hands when they have a facility of indicating? सोचने वाली बात है और दिमाग वाली बात है. दिमाग कम होएगा. He must be having a brain of the size of a peanut. Mind it, I said peanut. Yeah, long time no see, friends. What? No, not side stand. What they talking about? Meeting after a long time, I guess. You दारू पियेंगे साले. Superman. शॉल पहने हुए. आंटी है. तेरी माँ होगी. And guess what, guys? Friday is a holiday, especially for me. हाँ, घुस जा अंकल, घुस जा उसके अंदर. लौंडिया देखी नहीं, घुस जा उसके अंदर. साला टाइम पास करता है. Oh, just because of these stupid people. सरदार जी, तुसी कित्थे चल दी है? Yo, I don't think so they need any help, but yes, they are causing a traffic jam, which I'm not liking because I'm on a biking. Everyone's go Vikings, go Vikings. Hale. Oh shit, again the indicator problem, man. I don't get it. Ooh, Superman. Oh, Spider-Man. He-Man? Cutting traffic like a butter. Now many of you will be like, yeah, don't follow rules and regulations. You always try to, teach others to follow traffic rules and all. Well, yes. Hello. थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ, मेंटोस खाओ, दिमाग की बत्ती जलाओ. ए काटते ए मारते ए लाइन पे चला लोग चूतिए. हाँ हूँ साले चूतिए. बात करता है. Look at yourself first, and then if you find yourself perfect, then only you are liable to comment on the section below. And if you haven't seen or you haven't liked my Facebook page, then do hit the like button and share and follow me on Facebook. Though I don't update much, but still. And I've seen people, from Hyderabad. I've seen one or two people. They are my friends, and one of them said, "मौत डाल देंगे." I'm like, what? मौत डाल देंगे? क्या भाई तू यमराज है क्या? मौत डाल देंगे? I like, okay, I find it funny that people, they have their own slangs and code words, or if they want to present this, like, let's do it. Or if you guys hit if you get somewhere around 100 likes for the video, then definitely I'll gonna ask 5 people to let me drive there or ride their bikes, and I'll definitely ride it for somewhere around 50 or 100 meters, and I will do that for sure. क्या बाबू भाई वेटिंग क्या? Yeah भाई जाने दे. Like they don't let. You can go, sir. Yeah, please, you can go. Team BHP, sir. Team BHP. Yeah, इतना concentration. They don't let any taxi. The taxi from the out states, or even the taxi which goes from Gurgaon to Delhi. They don't let anyone go without paying toll. Concentration level भाइयों का इतना है ना, मैं क्या बताऊँ. 1, 2, 3. I'm so scared to ask, you know, and they'll be asking me back question. ये क्या लगा रखा है मुंह पे? ऑक्सीजन मास्क? कैमरा है? देखते कैसे हो? अरे कैसे देखने में? तेरे को क्या करना है? Hey, bye! Let the other fellow go. Sorry, bro. Sorry. You can go, sir. बाइकर्स के लिए टू रिस्पेक्ट, बट अगर वो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन फॉलो करे तो, अदरवाइज तो तुम्हारी माँ का साकी नाका। ले लो 35, सब कुछ 35, ले लो 35 शर्ट 35, 35, 35, ले लो 35 सब। KTM RC 390 रनिंग ऑन द रोड फास्टर दैन व्हाट वी थॉट ऑफ। अंकल देख रहे क्या लौंडा क्या बोल रहा है यार, ये लड़का पागल तो नहीं, अपने आप से बात कर रहा है ये, बताओ। जल्दी जाए भाई साहब, प्लीज मारना नहीं भाई साहब, आराम से चलाओ। 2 मिनट लेट पहुंच जाओ, बट एटलीस्ट आराम से चलाओ। You know, you seen the Bruce Almighty and the people like something like that. He's given the God's power. I sometimes feel like doing that. सुन लो सोने वालों, सुनो कहानी। One day I'll race you, plane tight, wow। एक तो है ना भाई साहब, शोल्डर इतने चौड़े हैं, प्लस ऊपर से ये साले कान दे रखे हैं 2 KTM वालों ने। सुनते सबकी बट करते अपनी है, समझे क्या? जोश और ताकत के लिए कांटेक्ट करिए, वरना पैसे वापस पाएं। अबे यार he was so cool. He let me go first. What? हाँ फाइनली बच गए। अदरवाइज अगर स्किट होती ना थोड़ी सी भी ज़्यादा, तो माँ कसम वो भैया की ना गाड़ी पर लग जाती। फिर भैया है ना ऐसी तैसी करते बाहर निकाले, सन्नी देओल बन जाते हो। ये खाते हैं, ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ जब किसी पे पड़ता है ना, तो बंदा उठता है नहीं, उठ जाता है। And I literally tell you, these fucking mirrors are useless. You are useless. Go get yourself a job. Okay, so somebody asked me how much running I do in a day. Well, I run for somewhere around 2 kilometers, and if you're talking about my bike, well, it runs for somewhere around 50 kilometers approx. It can be up and down, वो अपना हिसाब लगा लेना, but 50 तो है पक्का 50 तो पक्का। Oh, please, no, don't take him, no. हमारी चंद्रकली कुछ तूफानी करते हैं। Well, the road's all mine. Okay, I guess you must have seen a video where it says, you know, the person tries to take mimic, you know, replicate the voice of other brands like Honda and Suzuki. So it goes like and Suzuki and Lambretta or Bajaj. What the fuck? Bhai Saab almost gave a heart attack. What is wrong? What is wrong with the other fellows? Why? Why in their life they want to get into a road rage? Well, भाई साहब बहुत ही जा रहा है लौंडा कोई, हमने तो यही बेर आया है. So the sun has almost settled down. It's almost dusk. Dawn or dusk? Dusk. हाँ भाई राम लखन है, कहाँ घूम रहे हो? क्योंकि ठाई से जो टूटे तो मन होवे लगन, लागी लगन, लागी लगन, लागी लगन, लागी लगन. Well, I just wanted to show you one place which I love the most, and you know, even every biker would love this place. And it's not none other than, this is not specially I've taken this route. It's because I came here purposely. Just I wanted to show you the area or the thing that I'm talking about, which every biker or even a person with a loud exhaust would love. A short advice to the headphone users to so it goes like this. It's like 1, 2, 3. Had fun, didn't you? Had fun. Oh yeah. And yes, congratulations to all the KTM owners, proud owners, and the one who booked the new KTM RC390, and the people who have booked Duke 390, 200, RC290, RC390, 290. Did I messed it up? And yes, it's a new edition. Though I'm not sure of whether Duke 250 has come in the market or not, but I've heard that people have booked, and we were taken by a surprise that Duke 250 was a complete shock and surprise to us. But if it has come, then it's gonna make a blast. But I am waiting now. My upgrade will be somewhere in the category of 600 to 600 cc, 600 to 650 cc. I'll be going for that. My next upgrade will be that only, and I have shortlisted few. So yes, congratulations again to the one who booked the Duke 200 390 RC 200 390. Many congratulations to you. So guys, if you like the video, do hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, show some love. Till then, bye bye. Hey you.